So G-Force, the CEO and founder of G-Force Telecoms. We've been working for Netomnia on the build and installation for about 3 years now across South Wales. For G-Force and for Netomnia, sustainability is one of the key priorities. The legacy products, as you know, the metal products normally coming from the Far East, but with regards to the MMEB, it's manufactured in Europe. So it's 4 times fewer CO2 emissions than the legacy product. So I mean, that's a great improvement for us and for the environment. So with the rise of customer connections, what we found is we sometimes go in from a 2-way bracket to a 3-way bracket. So the more customers that come on, obviously the more capacity we need. What we found with the Telenco MMEB Bracket is so much quicker to add on extra customers. On the trials, it worked out 14 times faster. With regards to the new 3-way bracket, it's so easy to install. You haven't got to move any of the existing cables, so you've got less fault production, less chance of pulling a customer out, less chance of radial bends, when you're moving cables. So with regards to the extra fixing points, these are compatible with all products on the network. So Netomnia are constantly asking for feedback from the contractors, saying how do we speed up delivery, how do we make the experience better for the customer. So when Telenco come back with this bracket, obviously Netomnia would listen to us, Telenco would listen to Netomnia. It's made things a lot easier for us. Speed of build has got quicker, our installation process has got quicker, and I think that's why Netomnia are being the forefront of the technology and the network build.